Good morning, guys. Good morning. Thank you once again. This is Tuesday. Couldn't make a video yesterday. Very busy day on Mondays. So, without further ado, we go into the introductions. Please join our group t.me/CryptoCitadel. Shout out to the Orcas group, great group there. Shout out Christian, shout out Panda Cham, shout out Viking, shout out Elliot, and shout out to all CryptoCitadel members. Welcome, guys. This is another video, and I hope this will be an informative one. So amazing things happening on Bitcoin right now. Amazing run by the bulls as expected by our chart. We have been discussing the 0.5 a couple of days back, and the 9355 rejected for a while, came down, bounced perfectly on the support range here in the distribution area. What issued after it was a close above the 0.5, and we have been singing in this group and in this chart that if it closes above, forget what's below, just start longing. And if you have that kind of mentality, you were in for some juicy profits over there. And what happens after? Boom, right on resistance. Wake up, couldn't pass these heavy resistance here, and it started retracing. And look at where it stops, and it's right now trying to figure out what will happen here at 0.618. And we know how important is this fib area here at exactly 9636. So man, I'm just psyched for this chart, and it's looking just like all things being answered at once. And wow guys, this is just beautiful from Bitcoin. So we're gonna go ahead and check the weekly. That's our Bitfinex, I think. Bitfinex, yes. All right, so what's happening on the weekly? Interesting stuff here. We had a 50-50 scenario last week. We said we will wait this one out. Okay, it closed a bit below, but because of the 4-hour and we were watching that close, we knew straight away that once we crossed resistance, it was a good setup for the bulls. And look at the touch here, serious precision from Bitcoin over there. Bounce, rejection, back into distribution. So again, we're gonna have to see what happens on this distribution. Will bulls be able to close above here and give us some more showdown to the upside, come test this new resistance over here, or probably just take us once and for all above 10.5, and that will be like a la carte Holy Mary stuff, and we'll be happy to see that. Let's go to the daily. Okay, on the daily side, another staff of masters there. We had this cross before, and we said as soon as we cross there, we have some bullish confirmation, and that played out beautifully. A close above a point of interest, you long, and we have been watching these areas, a touch of resistance and a rejection. Now we need to see if this will hold, or if we close above here and we continue our long, and probably a touch above here, or maybe a touch above there. Updating on the lines that we've been watching this line acted resistance, acted support, acted resistance, and we're very excited at this point. Okay, watched it close, broken, and boom, there was the reward for those who could wait this line out. Great. So this is just basic stuff. Let's go into the 3 hours just to close out on the Kraken that we have, and it was in line format. Okay, that was for 3 hours. Okay, so this is our trend. What were we watching? Okay. This was our trend around Sunday in the closing to Monday. So what we had here, it was a break here, and we said, okay, we're watching this line here. So this trend line was giving out hints that something is going to the upside. As soon as it crossed here, there was follow through, but then we got stopped here, and I said we could come back and test the integrity of this support, and bulls did just that. They came down, tested the integrity of support, and off they went. So really great stuff from the bulls over there, and we can now expect a bit of retracement here, or maybe continuation to the upside. So we're gonna take this chance to update this chart and have a resistance here. Our resistances are usually in orange. For those who don't know, if I have a line coming in this angle, I'll always put an orange. If I have a line going upwards in that angle, I'll have a blue for the supports. So this is something new generating here. We have 1, 2 touches. We don't know yet where is the third touch, but since we have this line of support here, we can expect a touch here. Okay, so this is pretty simple, and if we have that zigzag, we know that these are 2 lines of confluence that we can keep in the long term. So thank you guys, this is it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed your weekend and your Monday. Really sorry I couldn't make a video yesterday, but this is really good stuff from the bulls. Thank you guys. Thank you RBL, thank you Panda Cham, thank you Elliot, thank you the Orcas group, and to my group CryptoCitadel. Thank you guys. Bye.